For 5x minus 2y equals 10, write a second equation that would make a system with one solution. First, pick a point that works in 5x minus 2y equals 10. The point 2, 0 is a solution. Now, write another equation that 2, 0 works in. The point works for 2x minus 5y equals 4. Finally, write the equations together to form a system that has one solution. What equation paired with 5x minus 2y equals 10 would create a system with no solution? Lines that are parallel never intersect, so they have the same slope and no solution. Find an equation that is parallel to 5x minus 2y equals 10. The equation 5x minus 2y equals 10 is in standard form, ax plus by equals c. As long as the a and b stay the same, the slope will be the same. Remember, for standard form, the slope equals negative a over b. The slope for this equation is 5 halves. For 5x minus 2y equals 25, since a is 5 and b is negative 2, the slope is also 5 halves. The two lines are parallel, so there is no point of intersection and no solution.